how to enable link preview in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you're also trying to paste the link and the link preview is not being shown like this in my screen, as you can see, it is being shown, but in your case, if it's not being shown, then in that case, what you can do is you have to enable the option called link preview in WhatsApp. So let me show you how you do it. So first thing what you want to do is just come over to this three dot icon at the top right corner, simply select it and click on settings. And once you click on settings, just click on this privacy option over here. And finally scroll all the way down until you see the option called advanced. So just select it. And here you should see the option called disable link previews. So in my case, when it's enabled, you can simply tap on this to simply disable it. And once you disable it, you can simply go back to your chat option and just try repasting the URL which you copied from the any of the social medias like YouTube, and you can simply paste it over here and your link preview will be shown just like this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.